See, make I tell you now, at the vessel, I no come introduce myself for now. At the verse that I talk to you now. Flag daytime. Flag daytime that I talk to you now. He don't said for soup, not the red kiddo. And Ashago kiddo. May all the Ashago travel. No be lie, they talk at the vessel. I carry Ashago yesterday, pay her 300 euro to make me come. I wipe Ashago for 1 hour, 30 minutes, Ashago don't come. And I never come. Ashago make me come, Ashago say don't tire. I ask Ashago, did I pay you to come? I pay you for me to come. Ashago say, make I go breathe mustard, make it drink. Make it take continue. Make I go breathe mustard, Ashago don't run no. Now make me come and say, make I call tell una say, make una see all the Ashago way they Europe, Nigeria, anywhere. He don't set between soup, not the red kiddo and Ashago. May all the Ashago travel. Una why don't know? I don't need to introduce my name because at the vessel. This morning at the vessel. This life no balance. So, because at the advice some youth when no go document for this country. I beg if you see the opportunity, take go drive school. May you go drive school for this country. May you suffer buy motor of your choice. May you ride for year. May your enemy not go die. You no play stereo till you die. You no play title. You no move you no roll stereo till you die. Cause the street is not friendly. We don't know where would they go. No document. And you they make money, they send and go Nigeria. And other people they enjoy your wealth. The life no balance. See, you get people when be say since 5 years ago, they don't build a house finish, maintain and do everything, even buy bed, arrange for all the room. No document to go sleep for the house. And as they talk to you, the one when they invest me pass. Now, another guy, man, when they do big land, and they sleep for your multimillion bed. Can you imagine? Let me tell you a small story. That time when I never come Europe. Now, Jando house, we take the carry gas. 3,000, we don't go rent for inside house. Jando house, for site, with parapet everywhere, clean. Girl go come tell and say, now, my junior one when they Europe, and I ain't get them. Now me they help and they control everywhere. Now line I rent to 3,000. Sometimes if I carry girl, they tell girl say na my house. Your house when you say you live for Nigeria, when you they maintain, they buy, they pimp. Another person they use they carry girl, they tell the girl say na she na he get them. They even they wipe the girl on top of your matrimonial bed. Hey, is Europe. I take God beg you. If you that kind of person, you don't get document, I beg. Go rent better flat for Europe here. Maintain now. Buy better bed of 2005. May you they sleep on top. Go drive in school. May you buy better motor they drive for here. Because we don't know where would they go now. And other people just they enjoy the wealth when you get for Nigeria. You day here, they ride bicycle. You know they think. Where we will do this one rich? This life no balance. And they always they play me will not go journey of no return. No. Not many people don't die for this Europe. They get investment for Nigeria houses, different thing they, but no document to go house. At the end of the day, small thing happen. They die for this Europe. Title, they no place. Steady, they no hold. Front or car. Where that steady they stay, they no sit down one day for there. Now Tyson they enter. Ride bicycle. Until they die, the life no balance. I don't fair tell now just now say, no matter the money you get, they broke sometimes. Where you need $5 to use that moment. If you don't see that $5 use that particular time, you are broke. Make una rethink. All of them when they make money, they pack and go. I mean, I think the life no easy no. Life no balance. People they enjoy na where to. Okada, and then they enjoy Janto house. Okada people now. When they drive Okada, Now they rent for duplex when you build though. Just because that they pay you maybe 6 months, that they pay you 40,000 for house when they suffer build though. Because they carry girl, they come out to your bed. They wipe girl for your own room. The room where they say, now my own be this. So go even they tell the girl, say, now me get the house. We don't fair do one before we call Europe. Oh. I know it's not they talk. Oh. Go drive a school for you, me drive car for here. Oh. Rent better house, stay for here, better home for yourself. Oh. Because we don't know where would they go, make God save our life. Oh. I don't talk my own finish. What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup, not the AKA at the verse. I not cut talk story. Oh. I can't complain for una today. Oh. I won't tell una say, if you do say you get money, you dey block. Oh. My friend tell me I no believe. Oh. I know say most of una don't fair do bachelor for Nigeria. Oh. If you don't rent house, you did Benin or Rome anywhere. All this thing don't fair happen to una before. You know say when you don't rent that time, you dey bachelor, you get where you will reach. You go get rice, red oil, pepper, and you go find Maggi and salt. You no go see. Oh. It happened to me. Oh. I dey look for Maggi and salt. I no see. Oh. I come to say, God, why me? And this thing now, farm naira fit take care of the two. Oh. The farm naira now, you go dey look for farm naira, you no go see give you. The most annoying part of this be say, if you come out, now that time you will come see boys where they declare. They buy bottle, and you see, they buy anything. You go even they see say person buy something of 250 naira. You will give the woman 500, you will say keep the change. And you need 5 naira. Oh. This life no balance. Oh. The one way they invest me past self, you don't know them. Oh. As you even say me waka pass, they got my go sit down. Huh? You go sit down, they will give you one bottle. You go they drink one bottle of beer, 200 naira, and you need 5 naira. Shame no let you talk about. I can't they complain. My friend tell me that time say, you know, say big man sometimes they broke. I don't believe oh, until it still happened to me for Europe. Oh, 27th of September. It happened to me. Oh. The day when I enter Europe, as I just step my leg in this country, I said, God, thank you. I just survive for my life. And I don't know, say, now I start the journey of suffer or struggle. Or it still happened to me last month, 27. I get rice, pepper, red oil. I need Maggi and salt. I don't know, say, no deal. Search everywhere, I don't see you. Look my pocket, everything. No money. I broke. If person tell una say now person broke for Europe, una go believe. They go say Europe, how can person broke in Europe? Person they broke for Europe. Oh. Now they tell una now. I share this video. Most of them they know you say they enjoy. If you just see me now, they say, oh, this guy they enjoy. I broke. Oh. Sometimes person they broke. Oh. You know go get farm there. You go look for farm there. You no go see. You. Now the truth that they tell you. Sometimes I go they find two euro can take care of salt and Maggi, yeah. But I look for the 2 euro to the 7th of September. I don't see you. Not be small matter. This life not balance. Oh. Not go the reason say because you get today. And so it be. Take care of yourself well. Observe your area. Know how you will take to keep some reserve. Because time they come, you they block. Oh. Even big man they block. You know me say get money for account. Oh. You say I cannot block. Oh. What make you block is that when you need farm naira, when you need that farm naira to use it, and you don't see the farm naira to use that particular time, you are broke. Are you hearing me? You are broke. See, this morning, I say make a comment at you now with this more comedy. Make una share the live video. Oh, you see, you know what it advise me now? Upon say they do comedy, they advise people. Evil people, they call me, they say, Soup, Alpha, and they see your video, you they try, you get sense, you get wisdom. Ha! Alpha, I just think I call you. Even my family now, me and my family now gets more issue, did that. Now I say, make I can't take some advice from you. Now make me call you because I see video where you do different today. You're blessed that my family they talk to. God will continue to give you wisdom. I say amen. I advise them. At the next 3 days, he come, he say, you walk. Oh. The reason why they share this testimony, give una. Una wait to say, I get sense now, they advise una. I don't get sense for where my family do. Oh, see, they tell all niggas, not let bad record follow you. They already tell my friends, they tell them, say, make una they already believe what my mama talk. Because my mama, they already tell me, say, who should be a record, who should sit here. If bad record don't follow person, good record not the meet humble. You know, say, get where they reach, people will fight. Police will find out those people come. They don't see him. If they just see you, they will arrest you. You don't see that kind of thing. Don't let bad record follow you. See, you get where I do problem reach for my village that time. Maybe me and people will go fight. Involve police. If they come, if they see only me arrest, if I reach station, they will say they see they look for 10 people. So police will come and you say no need for that. Only this boy feed one. Don't let bad record follow you. Now they try to tell you now, say, because of those things when it happen. See, evil till now. My family not still believe I get sense now. You know understand? Don't let bad record follow you, because if bad record follow you, it's hard to clean. Oh. Even though say everybody respect you, your family. Oh. As I deal like this now, for the one where they vex me for good 3 to 4 years, you know go make problem. Oh. You know go fight with anybody. Oh. You know go break bottle. Police not they arrest you, but nobody go call you. Tell you say, my pikin. Now you are doing like my child. You are a good boy now. You don't get sense now. Nobody will tell you. After the 3 years, maybe you made any small mistake, when you break bottle, police can't find you anything, and they hear them. I talk now. You know who get sense now. You know who ever get sense. If you don't do any small mistake for your family, you can never get sense until you die again. Not only outside go tell you say you get sense, inside go tell you say you don't get sense. Even when you even they share your sense, even when you even share the sense, give some people they use and they work for them. Your family still say you don't get sense. As I talk to you now, as I did like this, now no get sense for where my family do. It is how they lie. This life, you know, balance for one man food, it's another man poison. See, no problem. I don't have time. Next time.